Okay, this is your e-commerce review, and you need to correct the items that I mentioned within this review and then resubmit for regrading. Okay, so you have this little white area out here. I'd like you to collapse that and get rid of it, so you need to reduce the margin and padding to 0. This is a great looking banner. I really appreciate the work that you've done here, and nice looking rounding. I see that you created a gallery. This is the home page with new arrival items. You need to spell arrival correctly, and product needs to be spelled correctly. And additionally, everywhere that you have this space before the colon, you need to remove it. So that's throughout this page and all others. Additionally, these are serif fonts, as you can recognize by the little feet that they have, this little flourish right here. And so what you need to use throughout the site is a sans serif font such as Arial or Verdana. So you need to get that changed throughout the entire site. Okay, when I click on your items, I get a details page, which is great. I love the work that you've done here. Place order, maybe you should align this to the left. I think that would work better. When I click on place order, I like your form that you've created. However, this doesn't really have anything to do with orders and order details. It's the contact page from the assignment that we did. Okay, it's customer information page, not an order form details. So I want you to update this. If you want to know how, go out and look at Amazon or eBay and just kind of look at some of the fields that and some of the information that they have on an order page. Okay, so first name, last name, address, city, state, zip, those are fine. But then you need to have some order information out there as well. Okay. Now when I click on pants, I get a pants page, but on the menu it says paint. So you need to update that, and down here it says paint. Likewise, if I click on shirts, I get shirts, but up here it says shirt, so it needs to say shirts. So make sure you get those items corrected. The more details links work. That's fine. Other items appears to be a broken link. It just doesn't go anywhere or do anything, and neither does contact. Now, what I would recommend with contact is you change this to say orders, and you point it to your order form. Okay. And I think if you'll make those corrections, that would be good. And one more thing. Down here where it says item code on the other pages, you put an actual item code and item name and width and height information, but you didn't on these pages. So I'd like for you to fill those out so that it looks more complete and a little more professionally done. Okay, additionally, I'd like you to add this information inside of a 2-column table. Inside of the first column, you can have the labels such as item code, item name. Okay, and what you'll do is you'll align those within that cell in the first column. And then all this data out here, you will left align in the second column. And so that will help you line everything up so it'll look nice and crispy. I want a table. I don't want to know the table's there. I want you to have a table that has a border, no border, okay? Because I don't want it to look like a table. It just needs to have no border. Okay, that's it. Get those changes made and resubmit for